Introduction. The art of designing an appealing website is a blend of creativity and understanding of the coding languages. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is used to modify the look and feel of a web page. CSS provides the hover effect to create interactive and dynamic web pages. Understanding CSS Hover. Hover is a pseudoclass in CSS. It is used to select and style an element when a user hovers over it with a pointer device, like a mouse. CSS Hover, example, changing the background color of a button when a user hovers over it using CSS Hover. The button's background color will return to its original color once the user moves the mouse away. Hover effects on different elements. The hover effect can be applied to different elements like links, images, divs, etc. Example, changing the text color of a link when a user hovers over it. Tips and tricks for using CSS Hover. Use the transition property with Hover to create a smooth transition effect. Hover can be used with the before and after pseudo-elements to create more complex hover effects. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Not considering touch devices. Hover effects don't work the same on touch devices. Using hover on the wrong elements. Not all elements respond to the hover pseudoclass. Overdoing it. Use hover effects sparingly and only where they enhance the user experience. Conclusion. The CSS hover effect is a powerful tool for creating interactive and dynamic websites. Understanding how it works and how to use it effectively can enhance your website designing skills. Always consider touch devices, test your hover effects on different elements, and use them sparingly for the best results.